Elon Musk's Twitter deal, $44 billion. Can you grasp that for a second? Because I have a difficult time doing it. 44 billion with a capital B dollars to buy Twitter. Well, his team accused the social media giant that they were not disclosing enough information about spam counts. Well, I don't blame him for challenging the thing. I probably would do the same damn thing. But imagine paying $44 billion for a company that's the digital version of writing profanity on a public restroom stall. That's what it really is. But for 44 billion smackers, I'm sure I could think of something else to do. Like, for example, if I really wanted a social media account, 44 billion people, billion, I could open up my own and publish it and promote it to the nuts and be a hit with 44 billion and do it all on my own. So what the hell is he thinking? He's either a super genius or just a little moron. What do you think?